Hey there, Steve here with Putnut's Kitchen. We're trying to get back into the swing of things. As you can see, I haven't finished the cabinet doors yet. Summer came, well, spring came, and I had firewood to take care of and a lot of other things, which you could find on my other channel, Spring Holler Farm. But anyway, summer's coming. I'm going to have more time in the kitchen. I'm going to get this done, and I can get back on some cooking videos. But in the meantime, I found something I can do, and it's going to be a helpful thing for you in the summertime. How can you make a really nice hamburger patty? You want your hamburger patties to look good. You don't want them to be all broken on the edges, but you don't want it to look like you used a machine to do it either, because then you're not going to get any compliments, are you? So you want it to look like you did it by hand, but you also want it to look professional. No cracks, no splits, nice and smooth and even. How can you do that? Well, let me show you one of the tricks that I like to use to make perfect hamburger patties. Here we go. Most people can come across a large container or another that has one of these nice large lids. These are nice on these gallon-sized mayonnaise containers. They're about 3/8 of an inch thick and about 5 inches across. Yeah, you can buy a patty maker, but they always make tiny little patties, and once you cook the burger and it shrivels up, you have an inch of bun all the way around the outside. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever done it. My personal favorite is this Kirkland organic virgin coconut oil, because as you can see, it's slightly bigger around than this lid, but my favorite part is it's close to 3/4 of an inch deep. I'd say 5/8 anyway. Makes a really nice hamburger patty. How? Well, let me show you. First things first, if you don't have it, you need to get one of these, a large pack of food service film. If you've never seen it before, look up Family Guy plastic wrap and you'll see what I mean. And everybody's been through that. This solves that problem. The cutter's here on the box. The box is heavy enough. You can use both hands. You don't have to hold the box. Just a strong recommendation that you get something like this. Because for the price of 2 or 3 small packages, you'll have 1,000 or what is it? No, it's 2,000 feet. So look into that. You can find it on Amazon. Matter of fact, I might even put a link down below. Take a look down there. I always have a link to something. Now, what do we do with this? Let me show you. As you can see here, you don't have to do anything fancy. Matter of fact, I probably balled that up more than I needed to. You could put loose hamburger in there if you want to. And you just fold this over. I'm trying to do this one-handed while I film with my camera, which is not easy. Just want to make sure you get it all the way out to the edges, nice and smooth. This isn't the whole thing. We're not done. If you leave it like this, it's going to look like you used a machine. Now, you get it this far, and you peel it back, and you have to lift it up out of there. Slide that aside, set it on the counter. Spread this out a little bit. Make sure you got a little bit of extra room. Loosely fold this over the top. And then just give it a little extra smash around the edges and in the middle. That way, when you get done, you have what looks like a hand-pattied burger, but you really had a little bit of help. And that burger's got no split edges. It's about 1/3 of a pound burger. I like to make mine 1/2 pound, but this will be my wife's because she likes them a little smaller. And nobody has to know how you did it, unless you want to tell them. Now you know how you can be the star of the barbecue. When you come in and you have these wonderful hamburger patties, no splits and cracks on the edges, they won't fall apart on the grill. They're going to fit the bun nicely instead of shriveling up to these little bitty things like the commercial patty makers do. You're going to have perfect hamburgers every time. People are going to wonder why, even if they don't ask. So thanks a lot for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and tune in again here on Putnut's Kitchen, where we will teach you more about making food good.